I'm doing just fine. Hello. Shut up. What do you want to do though in creative? Yeah, 1v1. Do you want to do like obbies and stuff? What? Matchmakings. Yeah, let's do like 2 1v1s and then let's do matchmakings. Okay, here's a blue SMG and purple pump and blue AR. Because bro, I don't want like OP weapons, please. And then minis as well, and that's it. BHE. You know, I accidentally spawned on top of this lobby, and guess what happened? I landed on top of that aeroplane there. Open the map and you can see an aeroplane. Yeah, what did you think? Oh, it is an airport. You didn't notice. I went all the way up there. You know the things. You know the wing thing there. If that wing thing right here. It moves. But it's massive, isn't it? You thought it was a shopping mall. Bro, you didn't even look behind. You never look anywhere when you join, when there's a new thingy. Purple pump and WAR. Minis, yeah. You're allowed blue SMG then. No snipers. And you're not allowed to shoot when we start, okay? Go. God, bro, you just always do that, and that's just... Oh, I'm good. You know my uncle. He always watches my live stream sometimes, and then he, how are you? I just noticed. He came to my house later today. But I need to do one thing. My things are so trash. My the multiplier to build. But why is it so low? Am I going like 2.3 maybe? Yeah, that's nice. Bro, let's restart, bro. This is the worst 1v1 ever. Okay, one go, let's go. Let's go. You got coned by me as well. I fell. Restart. Voila, please. Okay, I just forgot. What the? My body shot. No, I'm 100 HP. No. Okay. Sorry. Another one, please. I'm bad. What? Okay, yeah, that's fair. But that don't count. What the hell? Yeah. Are you sure about that? Well, you can't play anymore. What the hell? What kind of next face sweat thing are you doing right now? Bro. Oh, bro. Bro, I just wish I had minis right now. Bro. Oh my god. I'm so trash. I'm gonna play matchmakings. Just do free for all. Bam. Oh. Yeah, Hamza, can I show you my settings? That's so good now. I just changed them. No, I just want to show you. Please, come here. No, I'm not gonna aim. You just jump. Just jump. Bro, you're more OG than me. I don't. But have you seen how small my screen is? Oh wait, my screen is actually big. My screen is as big as yours now, cause like it's gone like halfway through any. I'm so trash. I'm so low. Literally, I'm on one pickaxe. Somewhere. Oh! I know, right? Oh, you tried to, bro. You know, with this SMG, you can kill people in 7 bullets. Nah, it just looks better, so I just thought it would be better. So, doesn't matter about HP. I never think about my HP. Then I just think you panic and stuff. Oh no. That's because I don't know. Okay. Sometimes I do think about it. Oh, get aimbotted. Where's the USB, Hamza? Ask me. Just ask me. It's gonna be funny. You're fresh. Not yet on. We both got 3. Neither am I. I can try too if you want. Okay, that's just lucky, bro. Lucky. Lucky. Oh, what the? Bro. Where'd you just be on that? Ah! What the hell, bro? You're so lucky. Don't kill me. Remember in this box? Okay, then. One second. You're allowed hunting rifles now. You can't click that button anymore. Then I can use that pink thing. Oh, you have blue pump. What? Okay, but I'm doing just fine. Why? Bro, I'm live. Go on. Okay, yeah, now what? My mom was asking me something. No. One last thing. It's gonna take us 2 minutes. You've been playing 10 minutes with me, literally. Check my live stream, it's literally 13 minutes, that's it. Don't, please. One last kill. Oh, sire. Boys, so what we gonna do now, huh? I planned out to this live stream to be with him, but I don't know now. I'm trash. Who do electros? So what are we doing now? Oh, we're gonna do some. Yeah, let's just do matchmaking. Let me just free build for a second. Okay, like that. Boom, pow. Oh my god, what the hell was I thinking? Thinking. is watching? Can you comment? Boy. Boom, pow, pow, pow. If I do this, yeah. If I do this, pow, boom. Like a boss. I don't have one. One second, please. Yeah, I'm back. My mom was talking. My mic was muted. Let's go. Tone, 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 tone. Let's go. Okay, well, I'm doing just fine. We gotta reconnect spare with fakeness. Let's go. Oh, he's gonna be the sea guy, I think, or something. Pound. Okay, well, I'm doing just fine. D40 boys. That's sick. Get in there. Time travels, time hunt, whatever, whatever. Check. Let's go. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Okay, well, I'm doing just fine. Just fine. Just fine. Just fine. Oh shoot! What's happening? Boys, help me. Okay. We got in front of these. Okay. Yeah, 2351 remains. Time travels have the traveler has captured and became a hunter. Oh, that's sick. Oh shoot, we have to hide. I'm so gonna go up here. Half the things are broken. I'm gonna go all the way back here somewhere. I don't know. Come on, help me, boys. Maybe down here. Yeah. Actually, nah, boys. Now I'm just gonna end the stream, guys. Sorry, bye. Guys.